Hey guys, welcome to my channel SanBharti Digital. Hope you all are fine, safe, and hope you are enjoying my videos as well. So as you know that at present the Facebook 360 tutorial series is going on, and in today's episode I am going to show you that how you can connect your Facebook page with Instagram and WhatsApp. Yes friends, if you are having a Facebook page for your business, so it is always recommended to generate a lead through a different tools. Now suppose if you are having a Facebook page, so whoever is coming to your page, you always wanted to take them to the WhatsApp or Instagram so that you can get connected with them. You can simply have the contact information of them. So it is always recommended to divert your traffic to different tools or different platforms wherever your business is present. So in today's episode, I am going to show you how you can do it. So without wasting more time, let's take you on my screen. But before that, if you are not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe right now and don't forget to press the bell icon. So without wasting more time, let me start it how you can do it, how you can connect your Facebook page with WhatsApp and Instagram. And I must say this is one of the shortest video of this series, and it's hardly is having a 1 or 2 steps and the thing is getting done. And it's very easy. You can quickly learn it and you can do it for your business also. So let's start. So this is my Facebook page. I'm damn sure you also having your Facebook page for your business. So just go to the left side. You can see different options as usual, and at the bottom you can see a settings. Just click on it, settings, and inside the settings again you will have a more option in depth. These all are related with the Facebook page settings, and we will directly go to the Instagram and WhatsApp. If you will simply move down, you can see over here Instagram and WhatsApp. It's very easy to find out. So first I will click on the Instagram. So I have already connected my Instagram page, and whatever the information I have feed inside the Instagram profile, you can see everything over here as it is. So it will simply fetch the details from your Instagram profile, and whatever the username, website, bio, all the informations, it will be automatically synchronized from that. And you can see over here one option, disconnect, because I have already connected my Instagram. So if I want to disconnect my Instagram, I simply need to click on this. So this is all about the connecting the Instagram with your Facebook page. Now let's move to the WhatsApp. So below the Instagram you can see this WhatsApp options. Again, I have already connected my WhatsApp with the Facebook page. So here in front of your WhatsApp number, you are having a 2 options, change and disconnect. If you want to disconnect your WhatsApp with the Facebook page, you simply need to click on this. And if you want to change your WhatsApp number, so you need to click on the change button, and it will ask you for the another number. And once you enter the another number, it will again ask you for the verification. So it will simply send the verification code on your that WhatsApp number, and you just need to verify it. That's all. And you are having again this 2 options below this. Use WhatsApp as an action button. Use WhatsApp as an action button. That's a CTA button. If you will enable this, so whenever somebody will visit your page, it will found the WhatsApp button over here as a CTA. So whenever somebody will tap on the CTA button, it will redirect to the WhatsApp directly. So it's your choice whether you want to make it enable or not. And here, show WhatsApp number on page. Whether you want to show only icon or you want to display the number as well. So if I will check it, if I will enable it, so it will display my number also along with the WhatsApp icon. So as of now I don't know display. So it means you can take somebody to your WhatsApp, but it will not directly display the number over there. Whenever somebody will landed on your WhatsApp chat, then and then he or she can find the number. So this is very easy process. You can do it in a simple 1 or 2 steps. And it is very much recommended guys, because if you are having a business, so this is the best way to generate the organic lead. Whenever somebody will tap on your CTA button, it will redirect to the WhatsApp and you can get the number of that person and you can have a more conversation in future. So this is one of the best ways. So I'm damn sure it will be very useful for you, and please try it. And if you're having any query or doubt, you can simply put a comment below, or you can write me on my email address. So hope you like this video, and if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe right now. Thank you.